Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, as-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. Fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-Maeda, أفحكم الجاهلية يبغون ومن أحسن من الله حكما لقوم يوقنون. Translation: Do they seek judgment of the time of pagan ignorance? And who is better than Allah in judgment for people who are firm in faith? In the form of question, this is asked that are they looking for judgment of the time of ignorance? This is a very strange thing. If somebody is looking for the judgment of the time of ignorance, the time of ignorance was the time when there was no guidance available and people were looking for guidance. And now after Prophet Muhammad has come, the guidance and the light has come. Now after that, who would look for the judgment of the time of ignorance? Is this even possible that any judgment might be better than the judgment of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? Absolutely not. Then why people look for the judgment other than the judgment of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? In the previous ayahs we studied that the Jews try to find a different punishment for a married man and a woman who committed adultery. In the case was brought to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, but Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam made the decision according to the Bible. So the people in every time who believe in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, they like to see the decisions done according to the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And whoever is looking for the laws of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to be applicable in their time, they truly believe in the kingship of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, in His absolute mercy and His absolute knowledge. And one who does not have this kind of iman, they try to find other decisions other than Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's decision, other laws other than Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's laws. And whoever is looking for other laws because of their own desires and their own thoughts, they are trying to go back in the time of disbelief and in the time of darkness. Unfortunately, in today's time, we see that those countries who are Muslim countries, they do not have the decisions of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned in Quran and Hadith, and they try to make their own laws other than the laws of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. If we see the countries like Pakistan, the law and order system is shattered and there is no peace, there is no security, and there is no law. But the people who are governing the country don't want to bring the laws of Quran and Hadith. And those people who are supporting such leaders are corrupt as well, and they don't want to bring the laws of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And this shows that their iman is not correct and their iman is not firm. That's why they call themselves Muslim and believers, but they do not truly believe in the laws of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that are mentioned in Quran and Hadith. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran and give Muslim countries leaders that truly believe in Islam and bring the laws of Quran and Hadith. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.